how do we launch things into space? You've probably seen beautiful photos of Earth and other planets in our solar system. Those photos were often captured by the spacecraft robotic explorer during their work far away from the Earth. But how exactly do we send a spacecraft so far away? Well, it starts with a rocket, a really big one. Why rocket? A spacecraft, basically, everything else on the Earth is held down due to Earth's gravity. However, a rocket burns fuel called propellant to push away from the Earth and against the gravity. In other words, it's known as escape velocity. This creates a force called thrust. A rocket needs enough fuel and a thrust to speed up to at least 17,800 miles per hour. That's how fast you have to get those going to fly above most of the atmosphere and stay in orbit. Next, the rocket will release the spacecraft. But when that happens on where you are going, a spacecraft that's orbit Earth is sometimes called a satellite. A satellite is released from the rocket, a specific distance from the Earth. There it keeps going around Earth in a circular path and orbit. This happened. There is a balance between the energy the satellite picked from the rocket called momentum and the pulse of the Earth's gravity. The balance of this two force can keep a satellite in orbit for many years. But what if happen if you are trying to get on another planet? You will need a fast rocket to overcome Earth's gravity, and you still need to release the spacecraft from the rocket. But you also need to figure a best time to leave the Earth to get those planets. Take Mars for an example. Every 2 years, Mars and Earth are closest together. This is the best time to go to the Mars since it will require the least amount of fuel and time to get.